I'm Natalie, Marketing Manager from IBTM World, and I'm here to give you 5 quick tips on enhancing your exhibitor profile to help you get more appointments with buyers. This is important as your exhibitor profile is displayed to buyers when they are choosing their appointments. We're going to cover some quick tips on the most important elements you need to complete to make sure your profile is seen by the most relevant buyers. To get started, log into the exhibitor portal using the login button at the top right of the website. Then at the login page, enter your username and password and click login. Once logged in, you will be taken straight to your company profile. To edit your profile, click the edit profile button. If you're having trouble logging in, simply visit the contact us page and our customer service team will be happy to help you. Tip number 1. Add more information to the name field. The name is the first piece of information our buyers see when they are choosing exhibitors to meet. To immediately stand out to relevant buyers, add your company name, your company type, and the main region you're based to the name field. For example, your company name, DMC, Spain. If you are targeting buyers from a specific country or region, it is a good idea to also add that information into this text box. Tip number 2, complete the printed description so buyers can find out more about you. You'll notice on your exhibitor profile there are 2 company description fields. The most important is the printed description. The printed description is a short summary of your company information that is displayed on the screen when buyers are choosing their appointments. Buyers will use this description to find out more about you. The printed description is also used for your listing in the IBTM World Catalogue, app and Pocket Guide. So don't forget, if you're a returning exhibitor, check to make sure all your information is up to date. Tip number 3. Select your product or service categories so you appear in the right searches. Buyers search for exhibitors by their products or services. If you have not selected any products or services in your exhibitor profile, your company will not appear in the search. This will reduce your chances of being selected for an appointment. You're only able to select 2 categories, so please choose the categories which best describe your business. Don't forget to pay attention to the additional drop-down arrows which offer more specific product and service categories. You want to be as specific as possible. Tip number 4. Select the regions and countries you operate in. Buyers also use the region or country to search for relevant exhibitors. Here you can also select up to 2 geographical regions, so make sure you choose where your business is based or operates in. Do not use this selection for the areas you want to target buyers in, as you may get buyers from regions or countries you are not interested in selecting you. If you want to target a specific region or country of buyers, it's a good idea to add this information in the name field, as mentioned in tip number 1. Tip number 5. Make sure the right person is managing your IBTM World diary. To ensure the correct person is receiving emails about your stand and diary, complete the Appointment Diary User Details section. There can only be one contact to receive all communications and manage the diary for IBTM World. This person will also receive deadline reminder notifications and most importantly will receive access to the final diary. They will also be displayed next to the company name when buyers go to choose their appointments. Also, please ensure you remember after any edits or amends to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. We know that you're super busy, but if you just follow these 5 tips, we can guarantee your profile will be visible to all buyers, giving you the best chance of getting relevant appointments and improving your return on investment at IBTM World. To learn more about the exhibitor portal and how it can benefit you, take a look at the self-help Walk Me Through tool available on the right-hand side as you log into the portal. For more information on anything discussed today, get in touch with the team and we'll be happy to help you.